In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Trello. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just getting started, knowing how to format text effectively can make your boards clearer and more organized. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow to spruce up your Trello cards. To get started, open up your Trello board, go ahead and navigate to the card you wish to edit. This could be any card where you want to add a little flair to your text. Now click on the card to open up the details. Once the card is open, you'll see the description field. Click on it to begin editing. This is where you'll input all the text you want to format. So go ahead and type in your text. It might be a task description, project details, or any other pertinent information you want to highlight. The next step is to highlight the text you want to format. Simply click and drag over the section of text you want to modify. This will prepare your text for styling options. Now, take a look at the top of the description field. You'll notice an A icon. Click on this icon to open the text styling menu. This menu will give you a few different options for changing the appearance of your text. From headers to block quotes, select a style that best suits your needs and watch your text transform. If you want to make your text stand out even more, you can bold it. For that, just go up and click on the B icon. This will make the selected text bolder and more prominent, perfect for drawing attention to key points. Perhaps italics are more your style. If so, the I icon is your friend. Click on it to italicize your text, adding a touch of emphasis or flair as required. To explore even more formatting options, click on the three dots. These represent additional features. Among the options, you'll find tools to create lists, both numbered and bulleted. Simply click on the list button to turn your selected text into an organized list. This is incredibly useful for outlining steps or listing items in a structured format. Finally, if you want to include hyperlinks, click on the chain icon. This allows you to turn selected text into clickable links, perfect for directing team members to other resources or related tasks. And there you have it. A few straightforward steps are all it takes to format your text in Trello, making your boards not only more visually appealing but also functionally robust. Give it a try and explore how much easier it becomes to communicate and organize your team's tasks and projects. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.